Hello, I am Aryan Nirajanan and once again I am back to tell you something about karmas. You can see at my back I am sitting in Vaideshwaram Kovil. It's 235 kilometers from Chennai in the state of Tamil Nadu, India. And I have come here for cleansing of my bad karmas. I came to know about this place from a Nadi astrologer who told me that you have some doshas which is known as negative karmas of the past life. So I have come here to offer my puja to Lord Shiva so that my past karmas, bad past karmas can be cleansed off. So the topic of today is karma. Karmas are two types, good karma and bad karma. Good karmas are those which gives you happiness, pleasure and you work for the people, you serve people. But bad karmas are those when you cheat people, when you do bad things, when you kill, you murder, you do robbery and like those things. So it's very important to do good karma because bad karma leaves a bad black spot on the aura of your soul and then you have to repay. It said that a man who has sown the seed has to reap. So if you do the bad karma then you have to reap the bad karmas and when you will do good karma then you will reap the good things in life. So you have to be very attentive whatever the karma you are doing and if you are doing bad karma then certainly you have to repay. So next time whenever you do any harm to any person or you cheat anybody or you do robbery or you steal anything or you hurt any person, then think twice about that because that negative karma will leave a black spot on the aura of your soul and then you have to come back to repay this. So please be attentive because unless and until your soul will be cleansed off from the bad karmas, you will never get the heaven and God will never accept you. So don't fear the God, just love him and ask him what to do and then he will show you the way. And one of the ways that I have been shown is to serve the people. I am serving people through my blogs, through my videos and through personal services. So serving people is a very important act for cleansing the karma. Once you do a good act, then a white spot emerges and the black spot goes. And slowly all the black spots will go when you serve the people unconditionally. So keep this in your mind and do good karmas. And I don't want you to come to this place for cleansing of your karma. So better be attentive, don't do anything wrong to any other person and just enjoy life, help people, have fun. That's all. I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your patience, Erin. Thank you. I love you.